I just got my Morocco visa in 14 hours. Welcome to Punjabi in Ireland YouTube channel. If you are an international student like me and you would like to apply for E-Visa of Morocco, then this video is for you. In this video, I am going to explain you how you are actually going to apply for Morocco E-Visa, and it's pretty much straightforward and easy. Why I choose Morocco? Because the ticket price from Ireland to Morocco is bit cheap. Hotel reservations are a bit cheap, and you just need around 70 euros for a single day stay in Morocco. And they didn't require any bank statement, any sort of documentation from you. Although you are an international student here in Ireland, you just need your valid IRP card and valid passport. I'm going to explain you how you are actually going to apply for the Morocco e-visa step by step. One of the most important factor on which our application depends is actually this link. So this is actually the official link of the Morocco embassy website. So when I google the about Morocco e-visa, so there are certain websites appear, and most of them are actually coming on the top of the Google search engine, maybe due to some search engine optimization, or maybe there are some travel agencies or maybe some scammers, but this is the actual link you have to follow. I also mention this over the description of my video. So here you see, so like for me, my nationality is Pakistan, so I choose Pakistan, and country of your residence is about where you are currently living. So because I am currently in Ireland, so I choose here Ireland. So here is the Ireland, and my document type is ordinary passport. Purpose of trip is tourist. And do you have another valid visa? Yes, I have the Ireland visa. Yes. So if I'm going to check the eligibility, so it clearly shows me like I have, so I am actually eligible for the e-visa application for traveling to Morocco. So here I am going to apply for the e-visa. So here you just have to write your email, and there is some confirmation email coming over your email address so that you start working over it. Yes, once you got the mail, so you just need to press here, and from here it will lead to the eligibility page where you have to check your eligibility, and then you have to process your visa. Now it is actually bring you to this page now, right now, and here you just need to put your nationality. That is from, into my case, it's Pakistan, and country of EU residence, it's basically Ireland, where I am currently living right now. So here I am just writing Ireland. And yes, I have a valid resident permit for more than 180 days. It means like you have a valid resident permit for more than 6 months. So you just need to choose ordinary passport. Purpose of trip is obviously tourist. And do you have another valid visa? Yes, I have for the Ireland visa as well. So you just need to write your Ireland visa here, and you just need to write your country of EU residence. So from here we just need to move forward, and here you just need to check all these points. At this point you didn't need any return ticket, you didn't need any hotel reservation, but you make sure you have all these bring that you or you that you bring all these things when you actually travel to Morocco. So like you have the proper resident permit, you have the valid passport, you have the hotel reservation, you have the return ticket as well. So from here onward you just need to next you just put here your personal information. So I just write here some information, place of, and occupation is because I am student here in Ireland, so I just need to choose student. But so my passport number is obviously, this is not actual data, so issued by Pakistan. So here you just need to write your resident permit, and these are actually going to be your resident permit is actually available on your IRP card. So on your IRP card you see clearly on the top it start from R, and that is actually going to be the resident permit. It's starting from R, and then you have to write it. It's basically 7 digits, so 1 2 4, 5, 6, 7. I just write it from 10 February to 24th of February. So you just need to next, and here you just need to upload your details. You have to upload your picture, you just need to upload your passport, and you just need to upload your resident permit. So after successfully uploading your image for passport, you just need to make a PDF including the front page of your passport, and you must have a PDF of your resident permit of both side, front side and back side, and it must not exceed 1 MB size. So this is the restriction here. After successfully uploading your data, you just need to press the save button, and after this your visa is active. Okay, so this is my application number, and this is all my details. This is like to modify, to delete, whatever the issue is. And now I just need to confirm your request. Are you validate your e-visa request? You just need to confirm here. Yes, I need to confirm here. You just need to proceed to the payment. So if you need your standard visa, so it takes around 3 business days, and if you need express, like you just need your visa within 1 day, so you need to choose this option. But I go by this option, and after choosing this option, I actually got my visa in just 14 hours. So you just need to pay here. It somewhere cost you around 74 euro to 75 euro, and you just need to go ahead and click on pay, and it just asking you about your card details. So you just need to enter up your details, and once you fulfill the details, so your e-visa is going to apply. You will get your confirmation email once you did the payment. And once your visa is granted, so you actually receive this type of email, like your e-visa application is being accepted, and below is your electronic visa. So you just see the confirmation email of my e-visa. So over my PDF document of the e-visa, it clearly mentioned they properly check, validate my data that I have provided while I am filling the application for my e-visa. So you just need to make sure you are actually going to provide correct information, didn't use any false information, because they have the proper right to deny your entry into the Morocco. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are right now in Ireland as an international student, and they would like to go to Morocco.